Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to enable 2FA on Ubisoft Connect. This tutorial will be quick and simple. Just make sure to subscribe to this channel and leave a like on this video if you will find this guide useful. Now you will need to go to your browser and connect to your Ubisoft account, because from here, if you would go to account management, for example, and go on security, as you can see, you need to go ahead here on the website. So once you will connect to your account.ubisoft.com, you can go here on your account management. So you will see it here at the top. From here, you're going to click security, and here you will have two-step verification. As you can see, I have not activated yet. So you're going to click activate. Then you're going to choose either you want to do this with your email or with authenticator application. I'm just going to choose email for this and choose it. After that, you're going to send me an email, a code basically, which I can use to activate it. So you will need to wait a little bit, but I already got my code now. So let's go ahead and write that down. And now here you have it. They will send your recovery codes to your email. Make sure you do not lose your access to your email. Or you can just view codes here and maybe save them somewhere on your computer. And that's pretty much it. Now you will be logged out, so they can finalize the process. So click log out. And now you're going to re-enter your email address and password. And then click login. And now, as you can see, I need to enter my verification code, which they have sent to my email. So I'm just going to write that down. And this works only for 4 minutes. You can also click remember this device and log in. And then here you have it. You already connected to your account and the 2FA is enabled. If this video was helpful, make sure to subscribe, and I will see you next time. Bye.